Hi guys, it's Dawn and Malibu here. Allie says hi. She has to be up here now. She likes to sit on my lap. I let her in my craft room. I know I said that I never would. Look at these little paws. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can get you to see her. I'm in my pajamas. But Mally is right here. And she's such a good little girl. I wish you could see. Hang on, let me see. There she is, upside down. Look, you can see my mess and everything. There she is. Oh, we're exhausted. But it's not all about Mally today. It's about Grabie. So I am going to do an opening here because I can't wait to do it. This is Grabie's Wonderland. Let me hear. I wrote it down. Let's see. It's their Wonderland themed Grabie scrap box. Okay. So this I can't wait to open because look at this. Look at this. Look at this little girl. Oh, this little sweet little girl. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm having my love. She's like, Mama, what's that? She likes Grabie too. Anyway, she likes to be up here now. And this is my Malibu. For those of you who don't know, she will be 3 in. She is a mini Labradoodle, and she will be 3 in January. And she's just the best little dog. And I've got so many things to share with you about our trip to Cambria. We just got back. Oh, she's leaving. We just got back from Cambria, and we had a wonderful time. And so yeah, okay. I can't like put her down now. For some reason, she just wants to be right here, leaning on my hand. She's the best little puppy ever. Anyway, okay, enough about you, Mally. You have to go sit in your chair. Okay, I know I said I would never let her in here, but you know how we do with our pets. I'm never going to do this. I'm never going to do that. And pretty soon we do it all. So anyway, so let's get started on this Grabie box, and let me explain to you what it is. I will explain more about Grabie in a moment. Let me open the box. This is their Wonderland box. Look at this box, you guys. The box itself, I'm keeping the box. I love their boxes. I use it for storage and other things. But may the art be with you. So thank you so much to Grabie for sending me this. Look at these beautiful little lavenders. So I wanted to get this opened so that I could start using it, but I have to do an opening. That's part of the deal. So here we go. So I'll tell you what this is. This is the September scrapbook box. Includes whimsical stickers, lots of stickers, lots of paper, a Garden of Dreams paper set, flower filled paper set, sun-kissed die cuts, fairy wishes. Set 19 different things, and and then the November box, you can get that as well. But you can collect these puzzle pieces. I started doing that, but I don't know. I think I actually did not. I think I got rid of a couple of them. I should have kept them. Anyway, so here is a code. Let me put that up on the screen for you. Maybe you can do that with your phone to get more info on it. But yeah, this is a scrapbook club, and it's wonderful. Here's their sticker book. So I wanted to get going on this because, hello, is he not the cutest? Oh my gosh, this art. There's 24 pages in this sticker book, you guys. So here's the deal. You can use these stickers in your art. You can use them in your reading journals, your daily journals. Oh my God, is that not precious? Oh, this is everything. You can actually use this to like repaint it yourself. Use this as inspiration. Look at this house. Oh, this is adorable. Mally, what are you in? Get out of there. She's in my closet. She's probably sniffing my paint rags. But isn't it? Oh, look at that fairy. This is so cute. Look at the other little, I always call them trolls, but I don't know if they are trolls. Elves? What are they called, you guys? Anyway, gnomes. All right. Look at this little gnome. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, these are quality, you guys. These are very nice. So I will be working with these on a spread in one of my next videos. I am working on a vlog pretty soon for you about my trip to Cambria, so we will talk more about that later. It was lovely, though. I have to tell you, it was one of my favorite trips ever. Gardener. So I don't know where she went. There's another little gnome. These fairies are so cute. Oh yeah, I'm going to be taking some of these out and putting them in my journals. So your daily journals, that would be fun. That's gorgeous. And let's see, what's this? Oh, here's your puzzle piece. Dang, I should have kept those ones I had, but darn it. So, and this is only by living with dedication can one be tired. It is precisely because you are living with dedication and hope that you feel tired. Aw. Oh, look at these beautiful papers. This is gorgeous. This is such an inspirational box, you guys. Oh, you know, I love these. Look at those looking like embossed. They're not, I mean, but they look embossed, you know. Oh, these are really pretty. So pretty. Just a little journal right here. So there's that. Oh my gosh. If this is, this might be that clear tape, but it's like a bird. Put a bird on it, you guys. Isn't this beautiful? I'd open it, but I'm not going to yet. I'm just doing an unboxing today with some twine, and you can use this for your tags, which we will be doing. Oh, and some of their ink pad for fabric, wood, and paper. Comes in, I think, black and brown. And then, oh, a little sparkle. Let's see. Yep. Oh my gosh. You can like put these on your little flowers, you know, like just dab it in the center of a flower or something. Not the whole thing, you know, but a little bit. And then there's these. Aren't these beautiful? Oh, I'm keeping these. These are gorgeous. Sometimes I share. I don't think I'll be sharing much out of this pack. Oh my gosh. These are stunning. You can use this as a bookmark. Oh, make some bookmarks. I might do that. Make some bookmarks with these. These are stunning. I don't know where Malibu went. I think where she went. She loves the chair in the living room where she's right by the fireplace and she's cozy. I can't take her out. Look at those. I can't take her out today because it's like 31 degrees here in Eugene, Oregon. So there's that. And I believe I have, by the way, I believe I have a code called Dawn. If not, I'll try to remember what my code is and stick it down below if you guys want to have some discount. Oh, what is? Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Oh, these would make beautiful cards. These are, what do you call it? When they're raised, they have a little bit of a, see, on the back. So these are raised. These are little stickers on here as well. Stunning little bit of bling on there. That's shiny. And they've got gold on them, so they have a sparkle. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a fun little set. I'm so glad I opened it. I know it's not Christmassy, but I wanted to get it open so that maybe I can incorporate some of this into my Christmas, you know? Look at these. These are beautiful. And anyway, you guys, after Christmas, we'll be done. We'll be done with Christmas. We'll want to move on and have some more of these, what are these called again? Let me see what that's actually really called. Just die cuts shapes. But I thought they were paper set. I guess they're just called die cuts, but they're clear. You know what I mean? So they're beautiful. I'm sitting here in my pajamas, you guys. Sorry. These are my Christmas PJs. Aren't they everything? I know. They are. They are everything. Oh, I was going to pick this up. I thought this was one of them. But I bet it's in there somewhere. Oh, there it is again. Oh, and some, what do you call these? I don't know what these are called. Dots. Just dots. Just dots. Glitter drops. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, and these are fun. Oh, aren't those stunning? Those are pink. Those are so precious as daily life. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are so pretty. Like that can be used on, any of these can be used on Valentine's Days or little gift tags. I love, these are embossed, you guys. These are definitely embossed. Can you see that? It's gorgeous. So I'm waiting for a new washer to show up today. So I thought this would be the perfect time to get this done. And then, oh, little fairy stamps. Oh, those are precious. Look at these. She's got a little bugle, and she's got like a light, the lantern. Oh, these are so cute. Those are beautiful. Oh, I think Grabie outdid themselves on this one. If you are fairies or whimsicals, oh, you're going to love this. Oh, these are cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are so, look at sparkly. I don't know. I'm not picking them up very good for some reason in my light. Maybe put on another light might help. Hold on. That might help a little bit. Yeah, that helps a little bit. Jeez Louise, Dawn. See how sparkly those are? There we go. So pretty. And look at these envelopes. They're just stunning. Oh my gosh. And then, last but not least, Grabie just really knows how to package. Oh my gosh, everything's so beautifully. Whoopsie. Okay, so, so that it's just, oh, there's some tags. We can use this for, oh, here's some more tags. These are stunning tags. They've already got the grommets. These are not, inexpensive tags. These are nice tags, guys. And some more of these. Oh, these are so beautiful. It's just such an inspiration, So inspirational. This is Silent Night on it. So, some of these are kind of Christmassy, but more whimsical. Thus, the whimsical set, I guess. And then look at these. Oh my gosh. Look at these pages. Aren't these pretty? Look. They're cut out. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. These are stunning. So thank you so much. Oh my word. These are beautiful. They look like flowers on there. They're not, of course, but don't they look like it? Look at that. Don't they look eco-dyed? They're stunning. But then, oh my goodness, look at all this texture. Oh my word. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So we're just going to have to play in this box. And then, oh my gosh. Wish you could feel that. And then look at this. They really know what they're doing when it comes to texture. Look at that. And then these are like handmade paper. Very textured. Gorgeous. Oh, this is a fun, beautiful set. You can make so many things with this set. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. And I will put some more information below about Grabie and their mission. Actually, hold on one second. Let me go find something to read to you really quick. I wish I was hoping they'd have something in here about their mission. But I'm going to look on my phone really quick because it's a very important, and then we're going to look at these. So let me go to Grabie really quick because I really think that's important. Mission statement. Here we go. Grabie. They're easy to find. Okay, so design for mental wellness, creative supplies for all. And it says the idea of Grabie started in 2021 as a response to the widespread anxiety and depression that touched many of our lives during the pandemic. We ourselves have experienced the uplifting, inspiring, and healing powers of creative expression through art and became passionate about making it available and accessible to as many people as possible. The foundation of Grabie is an excellent and dedicated international team in Shanghai and Los Angeles. Together, I want to work for them. Together, we're committed to encouraging everyone to embrace their individuality and express themselves creatively. Our goal is to support as many people as possible by giving them access to art supplies that they would not otherwise have. We've seen how art can support mental health, so we've created the Grabie Art Fund to fund donations of art supplies to our partner organizations. Your purchase helps to put thoughtfully selected art supplies into the hands of people in underserved communities to support mental health via art therapy. So, I mean, it's just a wonderful organization with a wonderful mission. There they are. And I really feel like this is a wonderful. So they're with the American Art Therapy Association. That's huge, you guys. That's just huge. So anyway, so let's look at this last little tidbit. And then the next time you see me look at this box, this beautiful box of whimsical art supplies. Look at there's leaves. Oh, these are gorgeous. You will see me design something with them. And I will probably do some tags and maybe a spread in my art journal. So, but for sure we will be back to play with more of these. Probably do some tags and that would be fun to do some tags for my art journal. So there you have it. This is the what did I say it was? The September, but it's called the Wonderland themed. The Wonderland themed. So there you go. So yeah, this is the September, but I think you can still get it. So go with that, and let me know if you got it. I will link link them below, and I will let you know also if there is a code that you can use for an extra percentage off on this art box. So thank you, Gabby, for sending this and letting me share this for you. I'm happy to do it at any time. And I actually, there's other people that have reached out to me, you guys, and I don't do it because I like Gabby's mission. And my videos, I don't have a whole lot of don't do a whole lot of videos. And when I do a video, I want it to mean something. So this is for Gabby, or Grabie. I keep calling her Gabby. I used to know a girl named Gabby. Or is that me? I'm Gabby. Well, Dawn, get their name right, first of all. So Grabie. So this is for Grabie. So go grab some Grabie art boxes. And I will be back soon with a video of our trip to Cambria. It was Lauren and myself and Mally. And she's such a wonderful traveler. She traveled, every day. She was such a good girl. So anyway, I will link this below. And let me know if you reach out and get something. Okay, love you guys. You take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.